welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be starting my new series, which is going to be looks based off of zodiac signs, and I'll talk a little bit more about it in the video. But I just wanted to say I'm sorry for being so absent. We'll talk about all of that in today's video. So if you like makeup tutorials, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be doing a lot more in the coming weeks. And let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows. So, like I said in the intro, a lot has been going on, and I do apologize for not uploading on a regular basis. There's just been a lot of crazy things going on lately. My dog has been very, very sick, so I've just been dealing with that and taking care of him. And then I am working, so I have been trying to figure out filming schedule because I definitely want to post more than one video a week, which is basically like what I'm at right now, or every like week and a half, and I don't like that. I want to do consistent videos, but yeah, so all of that has been going on and it's been kind of crazy. I don't know, speaking of Sean, thank you guys so much for watching the video I did with him. It was like kind of hard to get Sean to agree to do that video, but we had a lot of fun filming it, and hopefully you guys can tell that in the video. I know it's very short, but everyone seemed to really like the time-lapse, so I might do more time-lapse videos in the future when it comes to body paint stuff, just because it is such a long process. And I don't think a lot of people are really coming to me to learn how to body paint. Like, they're going to go to people like Jordan Hans, who has much more experience than I do, and just kind of watch mine for entertainment. And some people find it relaxing. I'm actually going to use some new stuff. So this one is from Butanique Beauty, and this is the Fill and Tame Brow Gel, and it's in black, so I think it might be a little harsh. I guess not. So the look I'm doing today is going to be like Zodiac inspired, and I know that ChanXO is currently doing this, but I've wanted to do this one for a really long time, so I'm just gonna do it, and I'm not doing the same signs as her. So, I mean, eventually she'll probably get to them, but this is just the order I want to go in. I'm going to start with Libra, because I'm a Libra. So anyway, yeah, that video that I did with Sean is my, like, fastest growing video on my channel. And that made me really super happy. It's not, like, the best neon pop art zombie in the world. Obviously, like, there are people who are way better than me at it, but it was just kind of a fun thing to do on that day. So yeah, I'm just patting this out to blend it. Let's see what else is going on. I have been working on Halloween videos, slowly but surely. I have one that just needs a voiceover, and then it will be ready to go. I've just been like finding music to put in them and writing scripts, because I do want a lot of these to be like little mini movies. It will kind of be like every other one will be like really cinematic, so I'm hoping that they turn out well. Like, I wish I had the money to get like someone who knows what they're doing with film, but I don't, so I'm just gonna try and figure it out, which should be entertaining. So I'm gonna use the NYX Air palette. If you didn't know, a Libra is an air sign. I think I've only used this once on my channel. I can't get this open with my long nails. And I'm just going to take the yellowy color as my base. I don't know if you can see it. But anyway, I definitely need to dedicate a little bit more time to those videos, but I also want to get like regular videos up as well. Like I can't put, like Halloween is in October and I want to be able to film them all at home, so when October comes around I can just focus on the raw footage, and kind of just figuring out what I want to do with it. I guess it's just kind of like a life update. I am going to DragCon again in September. Super excited about that. I haven't really looked at the guest list. I saw who was in LA, and I assume like a lot of those same people will be in New York, especially like the New York queens from this season. Because I really want to meet Miss Cracker, and I really want to meet Cameron Michaels. I know she's not a New York girl. She's from Nashville. But those two are like the two that I really, really, really want to meet. And then if I have time to meet some other ones, I will. I basically just want to meet people I didn't meet last year, which I might make a drag con experience video, just because there's a lot of people who are going for the first time this year. And there is definitely a learning curve when it comes to that. What do I want to do now? I'm going to take an angled fluffy brush and I'm going to go into this deep blue color here. Actually, that's a lie. I'm going to take Home Sweet Home from Sugar Pill and I'm going to put this in my crease as like a transition color. They're actually discontinuing this color, which makes me kind of sad because it is really pretty. Like, it's a very nice sky blue, and I haven't really found a shadow with that same payoff. So, what was I saying? Oh, DragCon. Yeah, and speaking of Drag Race, I stopped doing the Drag Race videos because I missed a week and I didn't want to cram 2 weeks together. And like I said, my dog got sick, so I was not able to make a video that week. And after that, I just kind of abandoned the idea. So if you enjoyed those, I'm very sorry. Maybe I'll make one about like the finale, like my reaction to who the winner is. And yes, I voted for Miss Congeniality, and I voted for Miss Blair St. Clair. I just think she is very congenial. Or maybe even Asia, just because she helped so many people, but I think like her attitude sometimes was not congenial, where Blair was kind of like the same the whole time. I don't know really what else to talk about. I don't know. I've been having very bizarre dreams lately, and maybe it's because I haven't been sleeping well. I haven't been able to fall asleep until like 3 to 5 o'clock in the morning some nights. Now I'm gonna go in with a deeper blue. So, I have not been sleeping very well, which is also part of the reason why I haven't been filming, because by the time I actually fall asleep and then wake up, if I'm not working, it's like noon or 1 o'clock, and I have to like start my day and shower and do all that stuff, and then by that time that I get everything done that I need to get done, like my responsibilities, besides YouTube, I'm kind of tired and over it. But I'm trying to break that. Like today I woke up late because I was up all night with the dog, and now I am able to film because he is sleeping. So I wanted to definitely do this. I'm sorry if my hair looks weird. Like, I just washed it yesterday, so it's kind of like all over the place and looks really strange. Let's see. I'm gonna film a couple videos in this look today, or at least one other one, because I have an empties video that has been lingering since like Halloween, like last Halloween. So there's that. But I have some empty stuff, and this is actually like a lot good empty stuff, or like stuff I'm getting rid of. So yeah. So now I'm gonna take a Tokidoki shadow, and this is Brutino, and it is like a shimmery deep blue, and I'm just gonna put this on the eyelid. And it's almost like a metallic blue. Blue seems to be like the makeup color of the summer. Like everyone's doing like a little pop of blue, and all the palettes have blue. So I'm just gonna follow that trend. For the liner, I'm gonna use this Sin Cosmetics certifiable glitter. It's like holographic, and I'm gonna use the glitter glue from Too Faced, but I need a brush. So yeah, let me think. I am still unpacking. I literally just got all my makeup unpacked the other day. So that's another excuse why I haven't been doing videos. I'm just going to take a little bit of this color Too Shy from ColourPop and pop it in the corner with a little microfiber brush. The shadow is actually like dried out. It needs to go. Okay, and now I'm going to use Bad Girl Bang. This is also from Birchbox. I haven't even opened this yet, and we're going to see if it's worth the hype. That is quite the applicator. It looks really clumpy. I mean, it makes them look really long. I don't think it really did anything. I mean, it provided a little length, but it's not like extravagant. I think I'm gonna actually do my face makeup off camera, and I'll just come back for the contouring and stuff, because you guys know how my foundation routine works. So while I'm contouring, I just watched the trailer for Wreck-It Ralph 2. I really like the first one, and you guys know I still have a deep love for Disney. And it looks freaking awesome. I know my nose contour probably looks crazy right now, but I'm not done. It looks so cute, and it looks so fun. I'm so excited. I really want to go back to Disney when they're done with the rides, for Wreck-It Ralph and obviously Toy Story. But another movie I cannot stop watching the trailer for is Bohemian Rhapsody, which is like the story of like Queen and Freddie Mercury. I'm not even like a big Queen fan, so everyone can call me a poser or whatever. Um, but it looks so good. I really do like Freddie Mercury as a performer. I think he's amazing. Um, he was amazing, I should say, and I think he definitely got taken far too soon. Um, but yeah, I am hype to go see that movie. So the month of November, luckily I will be home for a week of it. I can go see it, and maybe my friends and I will go see Bohemian Rhapsody, because Sean has no desire to go see it, and Sean and I really love going to the movies together. That's like, I don't know, I feel like that's every couple's thing. Like, you go on movie dates, but Sean and I go like quite a bit. So now I am gonna put it on some highlighter. I'm using the Triple Baked highlight from Makeup Revolution. Or it's called Revolution, and then it says Makeup Revolution. I don't know. But I'm using just a little bit on my nose. I usually don't contour my nose, but I kind of enjoy how it looks. Looks very different.